In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the mirror cap on this Ford F-450. This, of course, only applies to the tow mirrors and the ones that have a separate top cap, so not the ones that have the entire back as one unit. Let's get started. To take these off, you can take a trim tool, plastic preferably, so you don't scratch anything up. Stick it into the side of it here. It should pop out like that, and then kind of curve it towards the back. This will continue popping the clips out, and there you have it. Old mirror cap is off. Now you would take your new one, if you had one, and line it up. Tap it in place, make sure it's lined up. If it seems like it has a gap, a larger gap than it should anywhere, that means the clips are not snapped in, and you definitely want to fix that before this flies off as you're driving down the road. Other than that, there you have it. Do the same to the other side.